Hare Krishna.
Hari Bol. I will just share the screen.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Shall be cow. Have you any milk?
Hare Krishna. Nice to see you all.
Hello.
Back. I'll just share the screen.
Shall be cow. Have you milk for Krishna?
Can you all see the screen? Hare Krishna.
I'm talking.
Okay. So,
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna. So it's time already. So let's start with the invocation prayers. Okay. Let's all say it together. Okay. Let's start. Om Ajnanatirmirandasya Namo Vishnupadaya Krishnaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Rama, Hare Rama.
Let's start with the verse. So this is the verse. Yes. Yes, I will say, then you all repeat, okay? Because there are some who may not know this completely. Okay. This is from Bhagavad Gita, chapter 8, pertaining to stream. The text number is 6. Please repeat. Yam yam papi smaran Yam yam papi smaran bhavam
Yam Papi Smaran
Yajatyam te kalevaram Yajatyante kalevaram Tam tam me vaiti kaunteya Tam tam me vaiti kaunteya Tadbhava bhavitaha Tadbhava bhavitaha Okay. Anyone would like to say the translation? Okay, Vrinda, go ahead. Vrinda, you want to go? Okay, I wanted you to read the translation, but no problem. You said it very nicely. Anyone can read the translation? Okay, I cannot see some of the names.
Can I do it?
Can you say the names of you? Who raised your hand? Okay, Priya, you want to go?
Yes.
Yes, please go.
Whatever states of being he remembers when he quits his body, state
You read it? I couldn't hear you in the end.
Whatever state of being one remembers when he quits his body, the state he will attain without fail.
What does it mean? Whatever you think of while leaving this body, you will get that state without fail. So what do you think we should think of? We should think of? We should try to think of Krishna at that time.
Krishna.
Okay?
Krishna.
Yes, correct. Shall we say this again? Repeat after me. Okay?
Yes. Yes,
Yam yam vapi smaran jatyante kalevaram me vaiti kaunteya tadbhava bhavitaha. Very good. So, do you all remember what we learned yesterday? What we heard the story from Mataji? There is this King Bharat, right?
Yes.
We learned about him. So he leaves all his kingdom, and where he goes? What we heard yesterday, what we learned?
Into the forest.
He goes to Plaha Ashram. And what he's doing there? He's staying there alone. He starts to collect all the flowers and tulsi leaves from the forest. And he also collects water from the river. Which is the river? Gandaki, River Gandaki. We also saw the location in the map yesterday. Do you all remember?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah, so there he's also collecting the water from the river and various roots and fruits, and he's offering all to Vasudeva, who is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And he's worshipping the Lord all the time. So he leaves everything and he goes to the forest and he's renouncing himself. Not thinking of anything else, only Krishna. And he slowly, he goes into the ecstasy also. His tears starts flowing from his eyes. And he's not thinking of anybody else. He's just thinking of the lotus feet of the Lord. So, what do you think? What is this renunciation? What does it mean? Anyone knows? Would anyone like to share? If you can raise your hands, I will unmute. Who wants to go? Raise your hands. Who wants to share? Riya, you want to say what is renunciation? What do you think it is?
Surrender.
Surrender, correct. Very nice. Anyone else? Shri, yes, go ahead.
I think renunciation is meditating on Krishna.
Yes, that is also one way of renunciation. Thinking about Krishna all the time. So let's see what is renunciation. Huh?
Not get attached to anything.
What is that?
Not being attached to anything.
Oh, yes, correct. Very good. So let's see what is renunciation. Renunciation is accepting those things that are favorable to devotional service and rejecting those which are not favorable to devotional service. So things which are good for our devotional service, we should accept those. And those which are not good, what we can do? We can reject those things and we can surrender to Krishna. So when we do this, there are also some misconceptions. We think that only we have to leave everything and do nothing. So what are the misconceptions? So we sometimes think, okay, let me just be at home and sleep and only think about Krishna in my dream. Do you think it's good? Do you think we all can do that? Yeah?
No.
Also, no. Yes. And also, like Dhruva Maharaj, do you think we all
Mataji,
can go?
dreaming about Krishna isn't easy.
Huh?
Dreaming about Krishna is not easy.
Not easy. Yes. And also, we all know the story of Dhruva Maharaj. Who all know the story of Dhruva Maharaj? Anyone is there who doesn't know?
do, Mataji. I don't know, Mataji.
Okay, so Dhruva Maharaj,
Mataji.
Dhruva Maharaj, as per the instructions from his mother,
I know.
he goes to forest to meditate upon Lord Vishnu. And how old was he? Do you know? How old was he?
5 or 6.
5 years. Yes.
5 years old.
He went to the
5
forest
years old.
and he gave up everything. He went to the forest and he was just meditating on Lord Vishnu. Do you think in this age we all can do that? Do you think
No.
we can go to the forest and sit there and meditate?
Not yes.
Is it easy? Who says it?
No. No. I don't know. No.
It's not easy. It's not
No.
easy now. Yes.
No.
So
Stay home and think
these are some of the misconceptions. One should not think that, okay, I have to give up everything and only think of Krishna. No, that is not possible in this age now. So what does it mean? It means, like, there is a question now. Can we be inactive? Can we just stop doing everything?
No, Mataji.
No. So what
No,
is
Mataji.
this picture? What does it say to you? Can you explain? What do you think of this picture? What this boy is trying to do here?
He's exercising.
He is in a sandbag.
He's exercising.
He's trying to do like that contest where you have to
be active.
run
One
in like
by
a
one.
paper
Let's
bag.
just unmute one by one.
He's trying to do a
Gaurav, do you
contest.
want to say what the boy is doing? Can you
Mataji, he's trying to do a contest where you stand in a paper bag and run.
Okay, I will just tell the names and that alone can say, because if you all start speaking, then I won't be able to hear it clearly. Aro, do you want to say what the boy is trying to do here? What do you think he's doing? Oh, okay, I have to. Did you unmute? Can you unmute yourself?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Oh, you muted yourself.
So actually, it's like he's trying to win a contest where like you run in a paper bag.
Okay. Okay, anyone else? Khushi, you want to say Khushi?
Can I, Mataji?
Khushi, go ahead, please.
I think he's trying like to be active.
Okay. So there is a sack here. He's inside the sack, and the sack, and the boy is inside the sack, right? So that sack can be a material world or the material world, and the boy is like Jiva or the soul. So even when the soul is in the material world, it always wants to do something. It cannot be inactive. That is the nature of the soul. Can anyone read the line underneath?
Mataji, can Sanskrit?
Samskruti, can you read it?
Mataji, can I do? Can
Samskruti, go ahead.
Can I do, Mataji?
Okay, I'll give a chance. And now
Mataji,
let Samskruti read it. Read the first line, Samskruti.
We, as a spirit soul by nature, need to do some work, activity.
Or activity, yes. So we, being spirit soul, we cannot be inactive. Even Lord Krishna himself says one cannot be idle even for a moment. We cannot stay idle even for a moment. Lord Krishna himself says that. So we have to do activities always. So what are the activities we can do?
What does idle mean?
Idle means just staying without doing anything, quiet. Like, will you be quiet for half an hour if your parents say, okay, just sit in the corner for half an hour or 1 hour? Is that possible for you?
No.
Will you just sit quietly without doing anything? No, because the nature of the soul is not that. The soul always wants to do something, right? So what are the activities we should do then? So these are our prescribed duties. So we have our prescribed duties according to our own nature of the soul, like our own nature. And those are divided or regulated into 4 varnas. What are those 4 varnas? Brahmanas. Repeat it. Brahmanas.
Brahmanas,
Kshatriyas.
Kshatriyas,
Vaishyas.
Vaishyas,
And Shudras.
Shudras.
So all our duties are regulated in these 4 varnas according to the scriptures. So these are the 4 varnas. And let's see in modern days, like in today's world, what are the examples of these varnas?
Mataji,
Yes?
can I ask a question?
Yes.
Okay. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came down to the earth, which, he says that I'm not any of these. So when he came down to earth, was he one of them?
Who?
Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu?
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you're asking, was he any of these Varanas?
Yeah.
No. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, who is he? He is
Krishna.
Lord Krishna. So how he can be in one of these Varanas? He created these Varanas, right? Directly. So he is not one of these.
Okay.
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 So let's see.
Mataji, the Lord Krishna was a Vaishya.
Lord Krishna was Vaishya.
Yeah, because he tended cows.
Huh?
Yes,
Lord Krishna was a Vaishya, but he came as a Vaishya to set an example to the world.
Mataji,
Yes.
so Brahmanas are people who worship the demigods. The Kshatriyas are fighters.
Yes. we will see.
Vaishyas are farmers, and Shudras are servants.
Yes. So we will see that in modern days. What are the examples? So who are the Shudras in modern days? Can anyone read this?
Us.
we're us.
Anika, you want to read? What are the examples? Anika?
And workers,
Artisans and workers. So the examples are people working in IT jobs and engineering.
Can I say something?
Yes.
Even if you can't sit still quiet for half an hour, but you would still be doing something, you would still be thinking something.
Thinking of something. Yes. Because the mind diverts us a lot, right?
Yeah, so that's
Will
what your
not
soul
allow
wants to
us
do.
Yes. That's right.
Just one thing.
Yes.
You'll be thinking of a lot of things at a time.
Okay, no questions, right? So the Shudras are those who are working for in like IT jobs, engineers and all. So those are the Shudras in modern days. Who are the Vaishyas? So the farmers, merchants, business people, those who have their own businesses or shops, they are all Vaishyas. Yes, in modern days. And who are the Kshatriyas? The warriors, police, administrators. But we don't have pure Kshatriyas in this Kali Yuga now. Because what are the duties of Kshatriyas? They protect the citizens. They take care of, they protect women, children, cows, brahmanas, and all elderly people. And they make sure that all the citizens are performing their own prescribed duties. And they also take counseling from brahmanas. But in modern days, we don't have pure Kshatriyas because although we have warriors and police, they're all working for money and not for these purposes. So we don't have pure Kshatriyas now. But these are the examples, like these are the duties of the Kshatriyas given here. Is that okay? Next is Brahmanas. Who are the Brahmanas in modern days? The priests, teachers, intellectuals, the preachers in ISKCON, they can be called as Brahmanas.
Mataji,
Yes?
actually preachers within ISKCON are not really like Brahmanas. They're actually Vaishnavas.
Yes, but they have Brahmana-like qualities, right?
Oh yes, Mataji. That's
Yes.
what I meant.
Yes, yes. So if you see all these Varnas, if you see who is in the center, who is it? Who is there in the center?
Krishna.
Krishna. You perform your duties
Krishna.
by keeping Krishna in mind or in the center. That means that you are that is the one way of renunciation. Doing your duties by keeping Krishna in center is one way of, what is it? One way of renunciation. Yeah, you all remember, right? What we learned? Renunciation is accepting those things which are good for your devotional service
services.
and rejecting those which are not good for your,
devotional service.
yes. So doing our duties by keeping Krishna in the center is also one way of
Devotional service.
renunciation.
Renunciation.
Yes. Okay. So who is the example or best example of renunciation? Who is he?
Maharaj, Guru Maharaj.
Prahlad Maharaj.
Prahlad Maharaj.
He had renounced completely. Oh, is there anyone who don't know this story of Prahlad Maharaj? Kushi, you don't know?
I don't know that story.
I don't know.
Okay, so Prahlad Maharaj was a great devotee of Lord Vishnu. And okay, so Prahlad Maharaj is a great devotee of Lord Vishnu, Krishna. And his father, who was his father? Hiranyakashipu, the great demon.
The demon who tried killing his own son, really?
So, Prahlad Maharaj, he was such a great devotee. He even heard the stories from Narada Muni when he was in the womb of his mother. But his father was completely opposite. He was a great demon and everyone was scared of him.
Mataji,
It is, yes?
who is the mother of Prahlad Maharaj?
Jayadu.
Yadu.
Bhagwan by the nails.
Yeah. So it is even believed that even when Hiranyakashipu would raise his eyebrows, even the demigods would get scared. He was so ferocious and so demonic. So he could not tolerate that his own son, is taking the name of Krishna and preaching others about Krishna. He even tried to kill his own son. So who is there anyone, do you think of any of such father who would kill his own son?
No.
He was so demonic. He tried to kill his son. He even kept him with a ferocious elephant. He even kept him along with the snakes. And he even tried to throw him from the valley. But you know who is it here? Who is saving him everywhere? Who is protecting him? Krishna is always protecting Prahlad Maharaj. Why? Because he was completely renounced. And so Krishna always protected him. Even when Hiranyakashipu challenged him, okay, do you think your Lord is here in the pillar? And Lord Narsimha appeared from the pillar and he protected Prahlad Maharaj. So the renunciation, Prahlad Maharaj, renunciation made him completely fearless. So although Hiranyakashipu was thinking he was the most powerful, actually who was the powerful one? Prahlad Maharaj, because he had renounced and So Krishna always protected him. So, but even this example, do you all think we can follow this example in this age?
No.
It is so difficult, right?
No,
So, what are the renunciations we can do in today's world? So let's see the example.
Hare Krishna Maha Mantra.
Yes, that we can chant. That's very good. Another example is studying well and having a goal for life. So if you think that I'm going to study well and have a nice goal in my life, which will give you, what will it give you? It will give you a good qualification, right? So what are your, what is, okay, I can ask, like, what are your goals in life? Anyone has any goal in life? Like, I want to be an engineer or doctor. Ojasvi, what do you think? What do you want to be?
I want to go to Vaikuntham.
Okay, but do you want to do study-wise anything? Like, do you have any goal?
I think I will so.
Okay, one by one. Brajaraj, do you want to say?
Mataji, can I go? Can Aryan go?
Aryan, yes, tell me. What do you want to be?
My future life goal is to go to the temple and be like a brahmin. Be like a brahmin.
Okay, okay. That's nice. Anyone else have any? Yes.
I want to grow fresh. Can I tell this is
Yes, Bhakti. What do you want to say, Bhakti? What is
I
it?
want to grow fresh food for Krishna, so I want to become a farmer.
That's nice. That's a nice goal. Very good.
I
Anyone else wants to say? Keshav, you want to say Keshav?
Become a farmer.
Yes. Yes, Keshav, go ahead. Keshav.
What I wanna do is when I grow up, I wanna like find a Jambudvipa and Mount Mandar and stuff like that.
Okay, you are all such a nice devotees, but no one is telling you what you want to do as a quality. Huh? I cannot. Yes, go ahead. Go ahead.
Mataji,
Okay. So the point is, if you study well and have a good goal in your life, okay, I'll give you a chance later. Okay. So what is the point here? If you study well and have a good goal for your life, it will give you a good qualification, and you can think how I can make use of this qualification for Lord Krishna's service. That is also one way of renunciation. Making use of your qualification. The qualification will give you a confidence of preaching about Lord Krishna, right? So you can, yes, who is it? Who is it? Say it. Suraj, go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
My goal is to do everything for Krishna.
Oh, that's nice. You all are such wonderful devotees. You're always thinking about Krishna, doing something. Yes.
I want to be a doctor in Bhaktivedanta Hospital.
Oh, that's so nice.
Mataji,
Very nice.
I'm a
Yes.
pediatrician.
Huh?
I want to be. I want to be a doctor.
Okay, I will move to the next. And if I have time in the end, I will ask you all one by one again about your goals, okay?
I want to
Next
become a pediatrician.
Next is, what else we can do in today's world? We can use our money and time in Krishna's service. So what are the examples? What we can do? We can conduct kids rathayatras. What else we can do using our money and time for Krishna service? What are the other examples? What do you think? Anshul, you want to say?
I can bake. I can.
Okay, you want to? Okay, who else want to go? Okay, you're saying?
Yeah.
something? Go ahead.
What? Yeah.
What are the other ways you can think of for serving Lord Krishna using your money and time?
Prayers.
Can Ria go?
Okay, when you
prayers.
have time, you can say prayers to Krishna. That is very good. Ria, go ahead, Ria. What do you think we can use our money and time for Lord Krishna's service? What are the other ways?
Buying jewelry for him.
Yes, that is also fun.
Make jewelry for him.
Yes, when you have time, you can make jewelry. You learned some of you learned in the camp, right? You know how to make jewelry or turbans, right?
Mataji, can Akshita go?
Let's move to the next one. What are the other ways? Conducting Bhakti Vriksha as a home programs and participating into it actively. So some of you are going to Bhakti Vrikshas, yes?
Yes,
For home
Mataji.
programs. So what are the activities you all do as kids?
Well, we attend Kirtan.
Kirtan, very good. What's that?
We participate in the lecture.
Lectures, yes, you can listen to the lectures. Do japa, kirtan, yes.
It's the coronavirus, so how will we be able to do this?
Now it's not possible. I know that now it's very difficult, right? But do you all have online Bhakti Vriksha?
Yes,
Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
You can participate into that. And
Yes, Mataji.
later in future in Bhakti Vriksha, you can also make prasadam, like which some recipes you learned, right? You can make some fireless cooking recipe and also take with you. Right? Let's go next. We can distribute books related to Krishna to others. One kind of preaching, right?
Mataji, will do that?
Who are all going for distributing books?
I do it. Me, Mataji.
So this is the best service, you know. Prabhupada really loves this service.
Only done
The favorite service of
distribution.
he will be very much pleased if you do that.
Only done it once, Mataji.
We can also distribute
Prasadam.
prasadam to others. Yes.
Or we can make butter for Krishna. He loves butter.
That's also good idea. That is also a nice way of serving Krishna. We can make butter for Krishna. We can participate in the skits.
That line.
In temples you have skits, so you can participate in the skits. Or we can memorize and recite shlokas which glorify the Lord. So whenever you have time, you can try to memorize any shlokas, try to recite them. So this is also one kind of service to Lord Krishna. These are some of the ways or activities where we can have Krishna in the center, and we can do these activities in our day-to-day. So now I'm gonna ask some of the activities, and you can tell me if it is good for devotion.
Mataji, you're on mute.
Mataji, you got muted.
Mataji, somebody keeps muting.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes.
So I will ask you some activities. Now, one by one, just let me know if it's good for devotional service or not. So, is it a renunciation if we just think that money is sweeter than honey, and if we try to just accumulate lots of money, even at the risk of our life? Do you think it's down or thumbs up? Okay.
Down.
Is it good?
Thumbs
No, never. Not worth it to be a robber.
Eating out in regular restaurants or eating out junk food every day.
No.
Yes?
Sometimes.
No.
Sometimes.
No.
Sometimes.
Oh, not all the time. Sometimes, not all.
Eating Krishna Prasadam.
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Very good.
Good.
Yes,
How about watching movies and songs all the
No.
time?
Yes. Movies. Movies. Movies.
Showing respect to parents or grown-ups.
Yes.
Gonna help you? Yes. You think Krishna will be pleased with this?
Yes.
If you show respect, what will happen? What happens to you? You're becoming. It will make you a good human being, right? Respect. Someone is talking. I think I should have.
Mom.
Bullying others or not treating someone well. Bad, right? Yeah. We should not bully, or we should not even keep quiet if we are getting bullied by someone else too, right?
If you see someone bullying you, you should help.
Yes, we should help. Or even if someone is treating us badly, that also we can take help of grown-ups, teachers, in school.
Bad habit.
How about not listening to parents or answering them back very loudly? Or do you all listen to your parents?
Yes.
Always? Yes, we should try. We should do that because parents always tell everything for our good, right? Right? Yeah. This is also nice. Doing kirtan at home with family.
Yes.
Yes.
That's good.
Okay. Lying about something.
No.
Good. Right. Utilizing your time for making some craft for Krishna or read some books when you have help you. Yes. Yes. Very good. So these are some of the activities which are good for your devotional service. We can accept those and think about Krishna in the center and do our activities. So that is one way of renunciation. So today we learned about renunciation. Anyone has any questions?
No, Mataji.
Okay, so if you don't have questions,
Mataji.
we will take up our.
What are the materials for the craft?
So we are continuing yesterday's craft. If anyone has not, can you all show me if you have completed? Just show me. Those who have not completed, still you show me, and we will see.
Mataji, I have completed it.
No, we completed ours.
Okay, so those who have completed, I will see later.
Mataji, I completed, but I have to just put the phone out here.
Very good. But is there anyone who needs help? Is there anyone who needs help for the Devanagari?
Yeah, I'm in mine.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, who is
I
it?
need to finish mine too.
Srimai? Anyone else who needs help with Devanagari?
No, me. I didn't do anything.
Okay.
I didn't.
For
Mataji, I am finishing.
For those who need help, I'm going to show it again, okay? Others?
Mataji, I'm finishing.
Mataji, I
I
finished.
didn't do anything. I wasn't there yesterday.
That's good. If you have finished it already, I'm going to see all those crafts in the end. I will first go ahead with this. I will show them. Those who are not comfortable with Devanagari yet, I'm going to show this to them first. Okay?
Mataji, can you stop screen sharing?
Yes, I will.
Mataji?
I'm going to share this.
Mataji, all I need to do is glue the picture.
Yes. So did you all stick the picture in the middle?
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji.
I'm
Mataji.
fully finished.
Okay.
Finished.
No, Mataji.
Mataji, this is my one.
Mataji.
I finished everything. There's nothing.
I didn't finish decorating the cover.
Can you all see?
No, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. We can see.
So
Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
for me already.
okay, so I completed up to Bha yesterday. Anyone has any question until Bha? I'm gonna go to the next. This is Ga.
No, Mataji.
Ga. So this is the first stroke. This is the second stroke and the third one. I'm gonna show it here. First, second, and third. So those who couldn't do it yesterday because they are doing it first time, are they doing it now? Yes?
What?
Oh, I finished mine. So do I have to do it again?
No, you don't have to do it again.
Okay.
So did you make a notebook?
No.
So what we made is the cover page. So you also made a notebook? Did you staple some pages?
Mataji, I made mine.
Huh?
I made mine yesterday.
What?
I wasn't there yesterday.
You were not there. Okay, so you can write these letters in the rough page now, starting from Ga. If I get time, I will again go from the beginning. Or I'm going to share this PPT in the group. Okay? Okay.
Can I get a paper to write it?
Next is Va. So this is a first stroke, the line, and we have a semicircle here. Circle here. It's kind of a
So
circle.
should I get a paper to write it?
Yeah, so who was not there yet? Who is asking it? Yes, go ahead, go ahead. You can practice now. You can write it. So this is the first stroke and the second and third. Okay. Shrimai also.
What
did
letter is
finish
this
it
again,
yesterday, right?
Mataji?
Are you doing it, Shrimai?
Mataji, what letter is this again?
Va.
V.
Va. So we are done up to Bhagava. So this is the. So the tha is, this is the first stroke, the second, and the third. So this is a line, first stroke, second, and third.
Can you redo the last slide?
Yes, I will go. Let me just see if everyone is done till here. So those who have still not completed coloring or anything, they can do that now.
Mataji,
Yes.
I wanted to paint. I finished mine.
You have finished already?
Mataji, this is mine.
Who is it?
Ria.
Okay, 1 second, Ria. Let me see. Very nice, Ria. You have to stick a picture there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mataji,
So this is ma. So here also again we have the line here in the end. Why do we have it? Do you remember? Why do we have this line here?
it's not.
It'll make a long sound.
It's not full.
It's not a complete consonant. It's not a full consonant. So we don't say Srimada Bhagavatama, right? Do we say that?
No.
We don't say ma completely, right? A complete ma. So we say Srimad Bhagavatam. So when we don't say ma completely, we have to give this line, even for the here. So the strokes for ma are, this is the first stroke, the second and third, and this is the fourth, and the fifth one here in the horizontal line. I'm going to show you here. This is the first stroke, second and third, fourth, and fifth. and we have to draw a line here.
Mataji,
Yes.
I don't think so. I don't have any like small picture of Krishna. So should I draw it?
You can draw it, yes. You can always draw it.
Is this how you draw? Is this?
So we are done with all these letters. Some of you probably were not there yesterday. Maybe they are doing this first time. So I'm going to share this PPT in the group. And there are also strokes here. So you can take help of those strokes. If you have any questions, please write it in the group. Once you're confident about the letters, write them like this on the cover page that you're going to make. Okay. And then I will show you how I drew the lotus. Those who have not done so far. So I first took the picture
Can you
here.
stop share screening so we can pin your video?
You want me to stop this screening? Okay. Can you see now?
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes,
So first you can have a picture in the center, and then suppose this is a picture. 1 second. Suppose this is a picture. Okay. So what I did, I just drew a circle around it with very lightly. I did not draw it very dark. Okay. It was very light with pencil. Then I drew up one petal, and then second one. I kept on doing these petals. Then I completed fully, and then I drew one in the middle of it, like this. So this is one idea of drawing a lotus. If you have any of your own idea, you can do that. Or you can even try any other design if you have something else in mind. Some of you have already completed it and they have done a great job. Those who are still going to do it, I just showed it for them. This is for them, okay? Yes?
Mataji, I'm showing you mine.
The letters, but it's
Is it? Can you say your name?
Khushi.
Ah, Shive, I saw that. That is very beautiful. Very nice. Khushi, very good, Khushi. That's very nice. So you can use this notebook every day now. You can take your notes. You can take your notes in that. It will help you to take notes also. So if you are going to a temple or for any home program, and if you're going to listen to a lecture, you can start taking notes in that. It will always help you. Taking notes always helps. Okay?
Mataji,
Yes?
can we let flower be a daisy?
Huh?
Can we let flower be a daisy, or does it have to be a lotus?
No, you can draw any flower. If you have any other flower in your mind, you can do that. You can be creative. You can have your own ideas.
Okay.
You can have your own design for your Bhagavatam notebooks.
Mataji, can you share the cover in the group?
This one, I already shared. It was already shared.
Mataji.
But if you want, I can share it again. If you didn't.
Okay, thanks. Mataji,
Yes?
I just wanted to add something. I think it would be really good if we wrote verses in this.
Yes, if you want, you can write the verses. If you want, every day you are attending these classes, if you want, you can write the notes in that. Whatever you liked, whatever you think like, okay, if I write this down, it will help me always. So you can just write down that in the notebook. So you use this notebook every day, okay? Or if you're doing any self-study at home, if you like any point, you can just note it down, okay?
Okay.
So I think the time is up.
Mataji.
Is everyone clear with this craft now?
Yes. Yes.
And here in the corner, I just drew some flowers and leaves. So you can draw anything which will make it look like a frame.
Mataji,
Yes.
I just use paper and duct tape to stick some papers together so I can put what I study.
What is that?
I just put some papers together and I just like put some papers together and like not doing a book.
Okay. So you're just sticking, you stuck some papers behind.
Yeah, I stack some papers.
Yeah, no problem. However you're comfortable with, you can make one. No problem. So is everyone clear with this craft? So the time is over. Thank you all so much. Let's offer our obeisances to all the Vaishnavas.
Yes,
Pancha अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय। See you tomorrow.
Thank you, Mataji, so much. Hare Krishna.
Krishna. Thank you.
Thank you, Mother.